if you look behind me from here to that end, are assembled tricycles. These ones were manufactured 2 days ago, and then it has been assembled right now. So I want to take you around to show you. You can see from here, this one is 150cc. Okay, yeah, 150cc engine capacity, and then this one is 150, and then this is 150. Now, come on, let me show you something. Yeah, so when I mentioned that we support customization, I'm trying to say that if you want us to install something special on your tricycle, we can do that for you. Okay, so with this is self-dumping. Okay, for this one, with this, you don't need to pull it and then have your goods offload. So you just press here, and then the goods that you are carrying will be dumped automatically. And so if you are buying and you want us to install it, we can do it for you. Yeah. So this one does not have a dumping function, but if you want us to add, we can do it for you. Okay. And then let me show you another thing. So this is a hopping gear. You know, this is hopping gear, and so with the hopping gear, when you are climbing a very high mountain, and this one will help you to protect, for you to be able to climb with speed without anything. And all the tricycles in Africa don't have it, except our tricycle that has the hopping gear. So when you buy, we install the hopping gear for you. So this one, and all colors are available, any color that you want. You can see, and also if you want us to install the sunshade, you know, we can install it for you. This one is 150cc. You can see the bucket, very cute, but it's very strong. Yeah, with the sunshade. And also, if you want us to install the driver cover like this cabin, if you want us to install this cabin, we can do it for you. You know, our company is a manufacturing company, and we do a lot of things. Whatever your demands are, if you tell us, we will do that for you. So if you want us to install this to protect the driver from sun scorching, we can do it for you. And so like this. Yeah, so this one has self-dumping function, and then finally this one here with it. So you just send us a message, and then we will give you the best price. Our prices are very affordable, and then also the fuel consumption is very low. And besides that, the engines are very durable, and then if you buy, you will enjoy buying from us.